Welcome back to the Math Class Postcard series by Statistics Bio 7 in this episode 3, and today we are diving into the one of the most powerful feature in the math class, advanced summary statistics. If you already watched episode 2, you will learn how to calculate the basic descriptive statistics in math class. So now the discussion for the advanced summary statistics for the math class, and already discussed for the how to import the data and analyzed for the basic summary statistics episode 2. So the third episode for the advanced summary statistics. So go to the statistics and click to the summary statistics and variable select for the hemoglobin and options logarithmic transformations. Your data is saved, click to the logarithmic transformation checkbox. Unless don't click the checkbox for the logarithmic transformations and test for the normal distributions. So the totally the 4 type of the normal distributions for the math class. The first one for the Spro weeks and Spro Francia, second one, and third one for the D Anconia Francis, and fourth one for the Molkorov Smirov, the final one for the none. So our data is suitable for the Spio walk test. The most of the common used for the Spio walk test only, because the sample size for less than 2000, and Spaco France test mostly the higher sample for the large sample size, the higher than 500, and third one for the D Acontro Francis. This is for the detects sake or curious medium and large size of the samples only, and the fourth one Kulmorov Spirmno. This is for the classical method data only for the less power data set, the general data set, and the last one for the none normality test the data only. So now selected for the simple general method for the Spirmno walk test. So the next one for the more options in the math class. So the percentile options, the math class for the biomedical data set, one is the suitable for the method in the percentiles 2.5 and 25 and the 75 and 97.5 percentiles only, because the 5, 10 and 25 less range, the 25 percentage data only, and 50 median value, and the 75, 90 and 95 also upper ranges 75 percentage, and 97.5 and 99 outlier range for the clinical limits. So the other one for the other advantages, the calculate trimmed means, the maximum trimmed means for the percentage in the 10 and minimum choose for the 5 percentage, with the suitable only for the trimmed means the sacred data only, unless the don't click the trimmed means. And another one general geometric mean, the geometric mean the only used for the long normal data set, the ratio, the concentrations, the data only, and percentage, the positive values, and the harmonic mean, the useful for the ratio ranges of the data set, example for the blood flow. And my data set the not suitable for the other advantages, and only for selected 2.5 percentage and 25 percentage and 75 and 97, unless unclick for the 90 and 95. So biomedical data only the suitable for the 4 times 2.5 and 25, 75 and 97.5 percentage. And another one, the calculate for the categorical variable to identify the subgroups. So if you were, this is for the powerful method. It allow to the calculate summary statistics by the group variations. Example, our data, the column name with the group, the value for the treatment, 2 type of treatment, treatment A and treatment B. So the selected for the groups, then click to the OK button, and the select the options for the MAT class will then given use the separate statistics for the each group side by side. So click to OK button, then click to the OK button. Now calculate for the advanced summary statistics in MAT class. The first one for the all class of the 2 groups for the advanced summary statistics. The sample size is here 10. So the lowest value 12.6 and highest value 14.10. So arithmetic mean for 13.21 and 95% of confidence interval for the arithmetic mean 2.585 to 13.56. So the percentiles for the 25, 75 only for the value 12.80 and the 75% of 13.60. The 95 confidence interval none. Then subgroup for the treatment A and treatment B. The sample size is 5 because our treatment A sample size is 5 and also the B for sample size 5, and the lowest value 12.6 and 13.2. Then percentage for the subgroup A, the 25% of percentage 13.35 and 75% 13.87. So this is for the percentile. Another one subgroup for the treatment B. So if you want the box and whisker plot, click to this options and choose for the plot all the data and vertical or horizontal, which one selected you choose it. And logarithmic transformation, don't click it that, because our data not suitable for the shaked data. So click to the OK button. Now created for the box and whisker plot for the advanced summary statistics. So the value for the center point, and this is for the box and whisker plot creating method in the MAT class and the advanced summary statistics, and calculate for the advanced summary statistics in the episode 3. So we will see to the another one episode. If you any doubt on this video for the advanced summary statistics, leave me comments in the comment box. I will reply to you, and thank you for watching this video.